Welcome to DRJ Crypto News Update. Welcome to episode 29, part 4. Subscribe now. Voter and investor appeal.
Bitcoin in the midst of 4 straight days of losses, with crypto becoming a major issue in this presidential election. Where can we expect the price to go from here? Joining us now for more is Anthony Pompliano, founder and CEO of Professional Capital Management. Anthony, it is good to see you. So you look at Bitcoin here, we're down about roughly 5% in August. We've kind of been trading in this range, Anthony, roughly 50 to 70,000 for months. What do you think breaks us out of this range, Anthony? Would you be looking to a Fed cut in September? Is it election volatility? What's on your radar?
I think there's 3 main things that will break us out. First is time. People are away for the summer. We kind of go sideways historically over the summer. When people come back, they sit in front of their computers and they start buying assets. And so I think that Bitcoin will be a beneficiary of that action. The second thing, obviously, is a Fed cut. As cheap capital comes into the market, you should see some of that capital flowing into risk assets like Bitcoin for people on Wall Street, and you'll see price kind of break out. And then the third thing is, I do think that if former President Trump is reelected, there's a lot of folks who are kind of looking at him as the pro-Bitcoin or pro-crypto candidate, and I would expect Bitcoin to rally on his reelection as well.
What would change your view on that, Anthony? If we know, for example, that Harris and Walz have their first network interview this evening after announcing her campaign for presidency. What could she say in that interview that would make you think that she is the pro-crypto candidate?
I don't think anyone in the Bitcoin and crypto industry cares about words at this point. If you're sitting vice president, then you can do action, right? And I think that's really what people are looking for. And so if people believe that the current administration has been abrasive towards the industry, I think the most powerful thing that Vice President Harris could do is to start to take actions to support the industry, show rather than tell. And I think the same would be true if it was a Republican in office. At this point in an election cycle, both candidates are going to say a lot of things, but the average voter really can only take those words as perceived empty promises. And so the advantage that Vice President Harris has is she can not just talk, she can act. And so if she was able to take 1 or 2 different actions that showed she was becoming more sympathetic and kind of pro-Bitcoin, pro-crypto, I think it would really help her election campaign.
Anthony?
Trump's full embrace of cryptocurrency has earned him the support of many in the crypto community, especially prominent figures and investors like the founders of Kraken and Gemini. His support for deregulation, coupled with his involvement in the NFT space, has attracted substantial crypto donations for his campaign. Although not as vocal as Trump, Harris's campaign has been actively engaging with crypto industry leaders to refine her stance. Her balanced approach could attract voters and investors who are interested in crypto innovation but also desire consumer protection and regulatory clarity. Let us know who you will choose, Kamala Harris or Donald Trump, on the comment section. That's all for today's update. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.